Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's prepare the daily update daily video for the gold market. Mostly it will be based on our weekly research. So guys, as you probably understand from our weekly research, that the technically gold market right now doesn't give us anything new. So in fact, what we have seen on Friday, now we see the same. Even I can't provide you any even rumors or some news on the gold market. Is everything the same, at least what we could say on the economical moments. But on the weekend we have taken a look at the Commitment of Traders report and have discovered something interesting. So if you will take a look at the recent data on the Commitment of Traders, you will see that market is showing the decreasing of the net long position and simultaneously the increasing of the open interest. I'm speaking about the non-commercial positions, and that means that as net long position decreased, it means that the some short positions were opened, because net long is the difference between the long positions and shortest positions. At the same time, we see the growth in the open interest. It means that the new money were inflowed on the gold market and the futures market. Other words, shortly speaking, we see that the traders have opened new short positions. They have put money on the gold market and open and taking the short positions on the gold. That means for us that we can't currently promise and speak about the extended targets to the downside. But right now we have two other objects. It's the 100 approximately 11 even target and 1050. That's the ultimate target for the gold market in the long-term perspective. But recent CFTC data and recent comments from this PDR fund that the storages have been contracted on the previous week makes me think that we will see the touching of the 1180 area. Although you can see that this ABCD pattern promises us only 1190, but since this point stands just $10 above the very significant low, and we know the cunning of the gold market that it hardly will live without touching the significant 1180 area, we also know how heavy market is in the recent time. And almost week by week we read in the comments from the physical commodity traders that yes, we see some purchases right below the significant level. So as market has decreased below the 1350, we see some purchases have started. When the market hits 13 even, we again read, well, we see that some purchases has started when the market has decreased below the 13 even. So we see some buyings have appeared. The same was happening at the 1240. When we see yes, market has decreased below the 1240, and right now we see some purchases have started. The premium has increased on the China market, and so on. Right now, market has hit the 1220 already, yes, maybe some purchases have appeared. Maybe the market is buying something, but the CFTC report tells us different, opposite thing, that traders taking the shorts and taking into consideration this recent information from the Commitment of Traders, well guys, on the current week I think that we have to watch for a couple of moments. First moment is some hitting of the 1180 area will happen. Currently we can't say whether it will be just wash and rinse of the stops that have been placed below it. The market will break it through, but it's very significant odds that market will hit as 1190, as 1180, and maybe even it will happen on the current week. Second moment what to watch for. This recent thrust down is very nice. And if market and this could be really not bad context for the possible Jordan pattern. That's the second issue that we will be watching for in the short-term perspective. That is mostly the strategical, how market will behave around 1180, but that's mostly tactical. So nothing is could forbid us to trying to take the position based on this short-term directional pattern. If any pattern will be formed here, maybe this will be double repo right at the point of the completing of this target. Maybe this will be the bread and butter sell before reaching of these areas. Any pattern will be useful for us and will let us to take the scalp trade. So that's the second moment that we'll be watching for. On the intraday chart, guys, currently not much that we could comment, so we'll take a look at the hourly chart. There's two butterflies is forming. This thrust down is really suggested that some continuation will follow. Market has formed another butterfly. On the weekend, we said that probably market could reach this, and it has happened, as you can see right in the morning. So market has hit the 1618 target of this pattern already, but that's very small patterns, and it's really nothing care for us. Some useful information. So we see right now retracement right back up from this butterfly. Maybe market will form something else. Who knows? Currently, it's really nothing to comment on the intraday charts. Other words, we do not care how market will reach the 1180, 1190, but for us the major point is to see the reaching of these areas, and after that we will see what we could do around it. Maybe some pattern will be formed that will let us to take the scalp short trade, but in the long-term perspective, guys, we see some patterns that hint on the possible even greater action to the downside, maybe even to the right of the yearly pivot support one that stands around the 1050 area. So let's see what will happen.